Hey attorneys, Anita Tallman here from Social Firestarter. Do you have enough Google reviews? You may not know the answer to that, so I'll give you the answer. It depends. I know that's a terrible answer, but really it does. It depends. Google review numbers, well, it's a relative term because, look, you got to look at it this way. Google reviews, of course, it helps for SEO. That's a whole other video. But what we're talking about here is conversion. The reason why Google reviews are so important is that it helps a visitor decide whether or not they're going to reach out to you. The bottom line is that people use those reviews to determine who it is they're going to contact. And if you don't have the same amount, if not more, reviews than the other law firms that are also ranking next to you, you will not get called. Even if you're in the 3-pack and you're number one in the 3-pack. If the other two people in that 3-pack have more reviews than you, again, you will not get called. So this is what you got to do. You got to go out and do some searches. And don't just put in personal injury attorney, employment law attorney, estate planning attorney. You got to do several different searches. Put in wills attorney, trust attorney, probate attorney, asset protection. If you're a personal injury attorney, put in car accident, slip and fall, dog bites. If you're an employment law attorney, put in wrongful termination, sexual harassment, hostile work environment attorney, whatever it is. Do a bunch of different searches, and I want you to look at all of the attorneys that are ranking in the Google My Business listing. I would say about like 1 to 5, and see how many reviews they have. And that should determine how many reviews you need to get. If you need to double your reviews, well, then you know what? Go out there and do it quick. If you have more reviews than the other law firms have, well, then you still need to get reviews, because guess what? You're not the only one watching this video. Other attorneys are going to learn that they need to get more reviews to catch up to you, because you're the one who has more than them. So they're going to go out and get more. And before you know it, and this happens all the time, you have 50 reviews and you think you're good because the other guys have the 30s. Well, guess what? They spent the last 2 weeks getting another 20 more. So you no longer have the most reviews. So don't get complacent with the number of reviews you have. If you're one of those attorneys that have a lot, go out, get more every week. And remember this too, you can get reviews not just from past clients. You can get reviews from colleagues, from families, from friends. So go out and do that. Those are more like character reviews, people that can vouch for your reputation in the legal community. People that if they had somebody that needed an employment law attorney, they would refer them to you. You can get reviews like that too. A lot of attorneys don't know that. So go out, get reviews. If you've got any questions, of course, feel free to reach out. But remember, reviews and the number that you need, it's a relative term.